Welcome to the Buzz Learning Center. In this video, we will provide a tutorial on managing supplier profiles. The General tab contains the supplier's profile information. The Address section contains address information, ID numbers, vendor type, and terms of payment. The Contact section contains information for the primary contact. The Certificates and Attachments section contains information relating to certificates of insurance and workman's compensation. The Defaults section contains the default general ledger account for processing expenses and the default inventory item for purchases. To add a new supplier, launch the Supplier Manager from the Payables and Inventory application group. Ensure that the General tab is in focus, then click the Add button on the toolbar. Complete the Address section. Select the supplier type from the drop-down list. Enter the supplier, federal ID number, state or province tax number, and GST or HST number if you require them for reporting purposes. If the supplier is a 1099 supplier, select the 1099 type from the drop-down list. Set the standard terms of payment. The terms will be applied automatically when you process invoices and payments. Enter a memo if desired. Complete the Contact section. If you require the contact's name on printed checks, click the applicable checkbox. Complete the Certificates and Attachments section if you require certificates of insurance and workman's comp. Step 1. Check the certificates that are required. Step 2. Set the expiry date for the certificate. To attach an image of the certificate, copy it to the Buzz desktop, then select it using the Browse button. Then click the Add File button. Complete the Default section. Select the default GL account for expenses by selecting the GL account from the drop-down. Select a default inventory item for purchases by clicking on the elliptical button and then selecting the item from the Inventory Manager. Note, it is not necessary to set defaults for the supplier. If you do not set the defaults, the first time you process an invoice or a purchase order, you will be asked if you want the GL account or item to be the default. Once the General tab has been completed, click the Save button on the toolbar to save the supplier record. Supplier information can be modified by selecting the supplier from the supplier list, then clicking the Edit button on the toolbar. This concludes our tutorial on managing supplier profiles. For more from the Learning Center, or to learn more about Buzz Club software, check out our website at buzzsoftware.com.